There's a new print-on-demand AI hustle that's taking off, where people are earning as much as $1,250 a day by using free AI tools. It's surprising that not more people are talking about this. In fact, some are making thousands of dollars in their first day. For example, one Instagram account made over $260,000 in just 24 hours, and the owner was invited to Shark Tank because of how much money she made. And she's not alone. Many people are earning anywhere from $4,000 to $35,000 a month. The best part? It can be done from anywhere in the world. At first, I was skeptical because it sounded too good to be true, but after trying it myself, I realized it's real. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to break down how these people are making thousands of dollars a day with this AI print-on-demand side hustle. I'll walk you through everything, including how to create an entire clothing business using a print-on-demand service like Gelato. Now, it's important to remember that just because people are making thousands of dollars a day, it doesn't mean you will too, at least not instantly. Building a business is hard and takes time. But let me show you some examples to get started. First, I found a YouTube Shorts page with 460,000 subscribers, posting AI-generated shorts. They only have about 100 videos, yet some of them get millions of views. According to Social Blade, this channel is earning an extra $35,000 per month. There's another account with just 28 videos, and they're already pulling in over $10,000 per month. In this video, we'll combine that strategy to drive traffic to our niche. Now, let me show you the niche. It's all about self-care and self-love. Take this Instagram page, for example. They're doing print-on-demand and posting simple quotes. They have over 1 million followers and are selling their print-on-demand products. Another page with 1.2 million followers is doing the same thing, as is another with 400,000 followers and another with 200,000 followers. All of these pages are succeeding with the same method. To help you find trends, I used a free app that shows what's currently trending in the print-on-demand space. You can go to the bestsellers section in this tool, and it will show you what's making money in different countries. For example, in the UK, I found a design that's making a lot of money. You can also check out similar designs on Amazon to see how their listings look. They usually only have 2 images, but that's enough to make them thousands of dollars. If you're not sure how to pick a niche, I made it easier for you. I created a step-by-step blueprint document, which is linked in the description box below. Inside this document, you'll find a guide on how to identify current trends, an operating system template to help you manage the entire business, and other tools you'll need, all for free. Now, to drive traffic to our print-on-demand business, we're going to replicate these AI-generated shorts. We'll start by using a prompt, which I'll also link for you to copy and paste. Open up Claude AI, paste the script, and Claude will write it for you. Next, go to Adobe Express and click on Quick Actions. Select Animate from Audio, go back to Claude AI, and take the script that was generated. Now, let's take a closer look at creating characters for your niche. Since we're focusing on self-love and happiness, it's important to replicate characters that really represent those feelings. For example, you could choose a character that's cheerful and uplifting, something that visually expresses positivity and self-care. Look through different character options and select one that matches this niche. Once you've chosen your character, you can also change the background to something that complements the mood. After setting the background and character, you can add a voiceover to make your animation more engaging. And here's where it gets really easy. You don't need any expensive software for this. Just go to tts.free.com where you can generate a professional-sounding AI voiceover for free. Simply paste your script into the tool, break it into smaller sections, and select the voiceover style you prefer. Once you're satisfied, click on Convert Now, and the tool will generate your voiceover in MP3 format. If you like how it sounds, you can download it as an MP3 and move on to the next step. But if you want something even more realistic, try using 11 Labs, a more advanced AI voice generator. After signing up for free, you can paste your script from Claude AI and select one of the many voice options available. Once the voiceover is generated, download it and move back to Adobe Express. Now, as we're building a brand, we need to create a strong online presence. Instagram will be our primary platform for posting animated reels that resonate with the self-love audience. But first, we need a unique and memorable username. To find one, go to instausername.in and input potential usernames. If the one you want is already taken, the tool will suggest alternative usernames that are available. Once you've found one you like, head over to Instagram and create your account. Next, edit your profile and make sure your username includes the keyword you want to rank for. This way, when people search for content related to self-love, your page will come up. Now we need a logo to solidify our brand identity. Canva is a fantastic free tool for this. Click on Custom Size, set the dimensions to 1080 x 1080 pixels, and design something that reflects positivity. For instance, if you want to keep it simple, just create a smiley face logo. Once done, download it as a PNG file and upload it to your Instagram profile. Now, the logo you create doesn't have to be perfect right away. In fact, mine started off looking like a sad face instead of a happy one. But the key is to get started and tweak it as you go. That's the beauty of platforms like Canva. You can adjust and refine your designs at any time. Once your profile is set, it's time to start posting content. One strategy is to look at successful Instagram accounts in the same niche. For example, if you see a post that's performing well, you can download it using a tool like snapinsta.dp.com. This will let you see the exact design and font they're using. Then, go back to Canva, create a new 1080 x 1080 canvas, and replicate the design with a similar font. Add your own unique touch to make it original, but use this as inspiration for creating posts that will appeal to your audience. After designing the post, click Share. Download it as a PNG and upload it to your Instagram. To create more engaging content, use tools like CapCut to edit your videos and remove any awkward silences. You can also add captions and transitions to keep your audience hooked. Remember, the more polished and engaging your content, the better your chances of attracting followers. Now let's shift our focus to the most crucial part, creating your clothing line. There's a common mistake that many beginners make when starting a print-on-demand business. They don't approach it the right way. So I'm going to show you how to do it correctly from the start so you can avoid those costly mistakes. To start, we'll use Gelato, a print-on-demand service that lets you build your business for free. If you're unfamiliar with print-on-demand, it's a business model where you don't need to hold any inventory. In the traditional model, you'd have to buy t-shirts or other products in bulk, store them, and then ship them to customers when they order. This can be expensive, especially when you're just starting out. With Gelato, you don't pay anything upfront. Instead, when a customer buys a product, Gelato handles the production, shipping, and even customer support. They only take a cut of the sale after the product has been purchased, making it a risk-free way to get started. So, after signing up for Gelato, the first step is to create a product. Start by clicking on Create Product and select a category, like t-shirts. For now, let's keep it simple and design a t-shirt. You can create your designs in Canva and make sure the messaging resonates with your target audience. For example, you might create a shirt with a quote like "Choose happiness" or "Self-love matters." Once you've created your design, download it as a PNG with a transparent background and upload it to Gelato. You'll see how the design looks on the product. If you're happy with it, continue to the mock-up stage where you can add the design to multiple products like mugs, phone cases, and more. After that, head to the details page where you can add a title, description, and keywords to help your product rank higher on online marketplaces. A cool feature Gelato offers is the ability to use an AI-generated product description. This saves you time and ensures that your listing is optimized for search engines. After adding all the necessary information, you'll set the pricing. You can adjust the price to see exactly how much profit you'll make per sale. Once you've reviewed everything, save it as a template. Gelato also has a huge global network with over 140 partners in 32 countries, which means your products can be produced locally and shipped globally. This not only reduces shipping costs, but also shortens delivery times, making your business more competitive. Now, if you're selling on platforms like Etsy, there's a simple hack to get started without paying for listings. Normally, Etsy charges around 20 cents per listing, but you can avoid this by searching for Chia 40 free listings on Google. Many sellers offer affiliate links that give you 40 listings for free when you sign up through their link. This is a great way to start your shop without any upfront costs. As you begin building your online store, it's crucial to consistently post on Instagram and other social media platforms to grow your audience. The more content you put out, whether it's AI-generated reels or simple quote posts, the faster your account will grow. Once you have a solid following, you can start promoting your store and driving traffic to your print-on-demand products. To further enhance your store, Gelato offers a personalization studio feature where you can let customers personalize their products. This is a powerful way to increase sales, as people love adding personal touches to items like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases. You can access this feature from the left-hand side menu on Gelato's website. Another advantage of Gelato is that it integrates seamlessly with platforms like Shopify and Etsy. This means you can easily sync your products to your store, automate the fulfillment process, and focus on marketing and growing your business. If you're using Shopify, you can browse through Gelato's product catalog to find items that fit your niche. Whether it's t-shirts, tote bags, or mugs, there are endless possibilities for the types of products you can offer. I've included a link to Gelato in the description box below. If you found value in this video, please leave a like and I'll see you in the next one.